Welcome to another video in my channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to install Windows without having a USB flash or DVD. So in this situation, as you can see, I have only one drive on my computer and I don't have any USB available and CD-ROM. For this case, we need to download the ISO image of the Windows 10. So you need to go on the Google and just use type download Windows 10 ISO, go to the first website, click here, download the tools. I already downloaded and I will run and create an ISO file. Okay, click on accept. So we need to choose this option, create and install media on the USB flash drive. When I click next, it will start to create download the ISO file and put it. Choose ISO and save it Windows 10. It takes a couple of minutes to create this ISO file. I will pause the video and then come back. Okay, this one finished. Now I'm going to show how to install the Windows. Now I have the ISO file here and I need to have some space on my drive. So the next step, I'm going to in computer management and then go to disk management. So the size of this ISO image is around 5 gigabytes. So I need a 5 gigabyte space on my drive. How to make that space? So this is my main drive, which is 80 gig. I will right click and shrink the volume. I will shrink like 6 gigabyte space or 5 gigabyte space should be enough. Okay, I will create a new drive, right click, new simple volume, next, next. So you can give it drive name like drive letter H, next, and provide a name like Win10 ISO. Okay, now my drive is created and ready. Next step, we go and mount this ISO in order to access the content of the ISO. So I'm going here, right click, copy, open my drive again, and paste it here. Okay, after the content of the ISO image was copied, we need to go and boot our operation system. So there is two ways. The first way is press and hold the shift button and then restart the computer to access the advanced boot options, or you can do it by command line. So the command is shutdown -r /o /f /t0. So I'm in advanced options. We go to troubleshoot, choose advanced options, and I need command prompt. we need to have a admin password or admin account username and password to go into that. I'll click here and enter my password. This password is the password of the computer. I need to find the drive, so I need to go in this spot. This part. So in order to find the volume, the command is list volume. Okay, so that's the volume I copy my content. So I just go here. I need to exit and go to D drive. So by dir, I can see the content of the drive. I need to run the setup exec. Okay, now it's easy and it's exactly like the DVD installation. Click on install. This is the list of the all drives on my virtual machine. So that's the only drive the Windows is running from. I don't need the other drives and I need to clean install. So for that case, I will delete all the other partitions. And I will install the Windows on this available space. So it takes time, maybe around half an hour. I will stop the video and come back when it's finished. Okay, as you can see, the operation system is installed and it's ready to use. The rest of the setting is just initial setup of Windows 10, and it's not related to my to this training. I hope you enjoy this training and learn something. Please subscribe to my channel.